Have you ever wanted to know what's happening with the government? Why your driving license is delayed? Or ever wondered how much money is spent on the infrastructure projects? Do you want to be a responsible citizen? Hello everyone, welcome to The Legal Source. In this video, we are going to discuss everything about Right to Information Act. Right to Information Act is a powerful weapon as it helps to maintain the accountability and transparency in the governance. It's been almost 16 years, still many people are not aware of this right. This law empowers the citizens to participate in the governance. Information and knowledge are important to maintain the quality of life. Before the Right to Information Act, there is a practice of culture of secrecy which fueled the rampant corruption. But RTI helps in availability of information to the general public to get clarity about the functioning of government and to contain the corruption. What type of information can we get? We can ask any question about the functioning of government, details of infrastructure projects, details of funds allocations. Under this act, students can also get the copies of their answer sheets from the universities. However, information related to defense, national security, and personal information cannot be furnished. From which department can we get the information? We can get the information from central government, state government, parliament, state legislature, Panchayat Raj and other institutions, NGOs which are directly or indirectly financed by government, courts, and recently Supreme Court announced that Office of Chief Justice of India comes under the RTI Act. Who are people involved? Applicant can go to Central Public Information Office of a central government department, State Public Information Office of a state government department. Public Information Officer can be contacted at sub-divisional and sub-district level. How to apply? First, decide what information you want and which body holds that information. You can apply RTI either online or offline. If you want to apply online, go to rtionline.gov.in, fill out the form, pay the fee and submit. If you want to apply offline, write your request on plain paper, attach the postal order and send it through speed post to the concerned office or department. You will receive information within 30 days the request has been made. If you haven't received the reply or not satisfied with what has been provided, then you can file the first appeal within 30 days and second appeal within 90 days to the State Information Commission. If you cannot present the request on plain paper, then Public Information Officer helps you to convert your speech into writing. You need to pay the prescribed application fee, but if you are below poverty line, you need not to pay the fee. Generally, information will be provided within 30 days, but if the information is related to the life and liberty of an individual, then it will be provided within 48 hours. Always remember that it is your right to know. RTI has helped uncover many scams over the period of time. If you want to know the list of scams, then please check the description below. However, last year almost 40% of the RTI applications were rejected without specific reason. Let me know what you think of it in the comments below. If you need any help in filing RTI, you can always reach us at Instagram, Facebook, or you can directly mail us. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to The Legal Source. Thank you.